Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Bestlacewigs again. This is the box of Pretty Minimalistic. So the first thing I'm seeing is a collect cash back. So that's pretty much what this card is just giving information on. So I think that's really nice. So let's get into the packaging. It's really nicely packaged. Love that. Love a good package. Says a lot about the company. I got the wig in a Ziploc bag, as you can see. Then I got a pair of wig caps. Also got an edge brush and comb. And finally, I got a adjustable elastic band, which you can use to add more security. You could add it to your wig if you please. So today's wig that we're working with is a real glueless wear and go 9x6 HD lace closure Yaki straight wig. As you can see the texture on camera. It looks pretty good. It's a 1B color. Look at all that space that we're working with. As I said, it's a 9x6. It has a really nice lace space. This is how the inside looks. It has 3 combs, and then there's a curve to accommodate the ear on the side, and then it also is a drawstring cap construction. Very convenient, very to the point, very beginner friendly. It's easy peasy. Look at that. So you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be. Then the combs are also removable. They're attached by Velcro, so super straightforward, not much to it. Anybody can get this wig and go ahead and do a very easy installation. 1, 2 when you're outdoors. I said so wear and go. So there are also the loops on the inside where you can go ahead and add the elastic band that I showed you guys. But yeah, that's the construction. It's very nice. The knots are already bleached. The front is already pre-plucked, and you guys are gonna see that. So it's also 18 inches long. Look at that pluck work. It looks so good. It's also 180% in density, they say, but it's super light. So if you just want something very manageable, not too heavy, not too dense, this will definitely work well for you. As you guys saw, I was just showing you guys how to use the drawstring in the back. Very straightforward. So once I was done with that, the wig is super secure. Number one thing. And then I went ahead and I wanted to get rid of the little cast on the lace, so I got some of my face powder to do so. The pluck work is just so nice. The lace, the front looks so realistic, definitely a 10. So I absolutely love that. Basically, I just jumped straight into styling the hair. So I'm giving it just that nice bone straight vibe, keeping it straight. It feels really good, guys. Really good. It feels strong, like really good Yaki texture. Okay, so if you're looking for a wig like that, this is your wig. Definitely not a lot of shedding. Definitely not. So I can't complain. So I just took my time, went through the entire wig thoroughly with my flat iron, after which I also got my hot comb to lay the top nice and flat.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Falling off of my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
That's it. I'll show you guys that it's still glueless, absolutely no product. It is like silk, it's like butter. The movement is beautiful. Best Lace Wigs, you did it. This is a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. As I say, a little shedding, not a lot. So if you're looking for a bomb yaki textured wear and go wig, this is your wig. All the information is down below in my description box. Go ahead, check it out. That's it for today's wig video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.